Namaste beloved friends. Today in this video I am going to tell you about 3 most important practice which you can add in your daily routine, and by practicing these important breathing exercise you can see the difference in your meditation practice. So these 3 practice work on the physical level, on the pranic level, on the mental level, on the emotional level, and also they will reach to the deeper meditation state. So by doing this practice you can feel the difference in the body and also in the mind, and the calmness in the mind after finishing this practice. So without wasting the time, let's start the practice. First practice is the Bhasrika pranayam, the Bhasrika breathing. So Bhasrika breathing is energizing the body. So it removes the any kind of drowsiness, any kind of lethargy in the mind, and also awaken the mind also. It awaken every cell, like energy will go to every cell and you will feel the rejuvenation, the new energy in your body, and also it will heal many kind of other diseases also. And if you want to know the benefit, you can Google it and you will find many different benefit of this amazing pranayam. So I will tell you here how you can practice it. So you place your hands, the thumbs inside and the fingers outside. So as you inhale, the hands will go up and the palm will open. Inhale and exhale like this. So inhale, they will go up, and exhale, they will go down. So just watch me carefully how they are moving. So my hands are here. So when I going up, their palms are facing front and then again back. So we are doing the breathing from the nostril and forcefully inhale and exhale here. Forcefully inhale and exhale. Continue. So this is you can if you are completely beginner, you start with the 30 round, like 30 round and then stop, and again start 30 round and then stop and 30 round again. So total 90 round you will do in the beginning, especially for when you are empty stomach. Very good if you are doing in the open space, and in the morning time very good, you will feel the changes in the body. So I will just show you few rounds, and I am doing every day 10 minutes this continue without any break. So it's amazing practice, I feel. So you close your eyes, breathing from the nostril. Just watch me at slow motion. And here remember, don't make any facial expression, and also shoulder relax, and here spine should be erect. You can sit on the floor in the Sukhasana or Padmasana as you feel like, or you can sit on the chair also, but spine should be erect, it should be straight. So just look at me, my don't make any face like not this. Very calm face, very smiling, gentle smile, and feel that you are taking the positive energy in, all the positivity, all the creative, all the loving energy inside, and you are taking out, removing out all the toxins from the body. So this practice, these 3 practice removing the toxins from the body, and you will feel the every part is getting new energy. So this is the Bhasrika pranayam. You do the 90 times, 30, and after 1 week or 2 weeks you can do 5 minutes, continuous 5 minutes. You can put the your reminder. If you don't know how to put the reminder in the mobile, I am giving the link of the video which I made especially for the meditation and for pranayam. You can check that video and you can find the easy timer there. So this was the Bhasrika. Next we move the Kapalabhati. So Kapal means the forehead, the frontal head, and the Bhati means shining. So by practicing the Kapal Bhati, you will shine like a moon really. So it will clean all the system of the body. The Kapal Bhati, it's kind of kriya. Sometimes we consider as a pranayam, sometimes kriya. So it is a cleansing process. By doing this, you will body will clean, the mental emotions will clean, your mind will get calm, very calm after practicing this. So you do in the beginning 5 minutes this. So if you are completely new, you can place your hand here, and here we only do forcefully exhalation. We are not inhaling, we are doing just exhalation. The inhalation will happen automatically. So you just focus on the exhalation. So how to do? Just be aware of your stomach. As you exhale, the stomach go inside. And the inhalation, the in-breath happen naturally without any force, without any notice. So it like forcefully exhalation and passive, the inhalation will happen passive. So active and passive, active, passive. So it's like pressing the, like there is balloon and you are pressing. So when you are practicing any meditation or any pranayama, gentle smile should be there in your face. In the beginning it's little hard, you will feel like you are not getting proper oxygen in the body, but if you are continue practicing, within few days you will get to know the proper rhythm. So just be like 1 second, one stroke there, like 1 second, you just count mentally. And when you know the trick, you can put your hands on your palm in any mudras. I will discuss the mudras also on the upcoming videos. Here also spine should be erect, so don't move. Also facial expression should not be there, and shoulder should not move, and you just calmly doing the practice. And after finishing the 5 minutes of Kapalbhati, you just sit quietly for a while. You will feel there is no breathing anymore. You don't want to take any breath in or out. You just feeling the silence, complete silence. There is no thoughts after 5 minutes of this Kapalbhati. Very good practice. I am doing every day 10 minutes in the morning and 10 minutes in the evening. Very good. I feel like my body is very healthy, and it's like every part is happy now. So it's saying happy, happy, happy. Every part is just screaming with the happiness. So this is the Kapalbhati. And third, we are going to enter into the Anulom Vilom. So what happened when we practice the meditation directly? We are our only one brain is active, means only one nostril is active. If you check now also, maybe your right nostril or your left nostril is active. So my is the left one is more active. So you can check out which nostril is active. So according to the nostril, the brain is also active, because our brain has two parts, the right brain and the left brain. So if the left nostril is active, the left brain is active, and the right nostril is active, then right brain is active. But in meditation we need the both minds should be active. So when both brain is active, our energy will flow in the middle channel, the Sushumna Nadi. So it's Nadi, and there are subtle channels inside our body, in the subtle body. So by practicing this Nadi Suddhi, the alternative nostril breathing, we are cleaning all the 72,000 nadis inside the body. So according to the Hatha Yoga, it like within 3 months, if you practice this pranayam, this breathing exercise, your all the channels will clean, and you will find the inner peace and inner joy by just practicing this Nadi Suddhi, the alternative nostril breathing pranayam. So let's start the technique. Very good. You can start with the 5 minute and increase slowly to 10 minute and 15 minute also. So how you practice? You one hand on, like left hand on your knees, and the right hand you fold the index finger and the middle finger, and with the help of the thumb and other two finger, first you close your right nostril. So inhale from the left, then you close your left nostril. Now both the nostrils are closed. Slowly open the right nostril and exhale from the right. Now again inhale from the right, close the right nostril also, and exhale from the left. So this is the one round. So here you breathe very slowly. I am making little sound there, but there should not be any sound when you are breathing. So one time we are only breathing in and out from one nostril only. So when you are breathing from the right brain is active, the right nadis, the ida nadis will active, and when you are breathing from the left brain and the left nadis, which is the pingala nadi, which active. So it combine the mental energy and pranic energy. Both energy will active, and the energy will flow on the middle nadi, the Sushumna nadi. And by practicing this, when you are reaching to the middle state, the balanced state, you will find the your energy is not moving outside, your mind is not going here and there, not jumping into the thoughts. So this is very beautiful practice. If you practice it for a longer time, like more than 20 minutes, you will find your meditation will happen automatically without anything you will do, without anything any effort. The meditation will automatically come to you. So this 3 exercise, the 3 breathing, very powerful. You will see, you will every time you practice, like every morning you practice, and one day you practice with the breathing, and one day you will not practice without. So you will feel the difference. You will experiment on yourself, and you will feel the changes within. Nobody will tell you that this is good for you, this is not. So you experiment on yourself, and you will find this practice is good for me and this is not good for me, because there are thousands of practice. So you have to experiment, and one day you will find your own actual practice which is suiting for you, which is good for you, by which you can go deeper into the meditation. So this 3 practice you start every day, every morning, empty stomach, and you will feel the really good difference in your day-to-day life. You feel the calmness of the mind, and you will enjoy the every bit of the life. So this is a 3 practice, and hope you like this video. And if you have any queries, any question related to the meditation, related to the any spiritual practice, you can write me always in my email. It's meditationwithbodhi@gmail.com. I am giving at the description. You can check out, and just be happy, be healthy, and loving to each other, and share your happiness and joy and love to this whole earth. So thank you for watching me. Thank you, and thank you.